You want juice?
Zazu, you want to play cards?
What are you doing, Zazu?
Come here.
So you get the cards in the picture?
Playing poker.
Deal him a hand.
She's recording.
I'll pick my own.
Yeah, pick it.
Oh, deal him a hand. Give him a 3.
Yeah.
3.
You got that, Zazu.
That's like the poker playing bird. Awesome.
Zazu, take it.
All in.
Zazu.
Take a picture with him in
Yeah.
his beak. There we go.
Oh, good.
Okay, for 2 weeks.
Don't eat that, Zazu.
Oh, yeah.
He's cheating. He's cheating.
We'll have to pair him up with a parakeet though to make the calls.
Pick one.
Okay, we'll see.
Pick a card, any card.
What a team! They just
Awesome.
took my house.
Oh, no, don't eat. Oh,
Rice?
Rice, it's rice.
Isn't rice the bad thing for birds?
Well, no, it's already
No.
expanded.
No, it's
So.
blueberries and what else?
Is that okay that he eats it? I think so.
I thought rice like made their stomach explode.
Yeah,
That's if
rice.
that's if they weren't
Yeah.
soaked. Yeah, that's,
Like uncooked
Yeah,
rice?
yeah.
Uncooked rice
Yeah,
definitely does
They
that.
eat too much of it.
And they
and
can't
they'll
fart.
drink water. It's like.
It sucks.
Sam.
And that's what I learned from The Simpsons.
They stopped taking
Oh,
it over.
Zazu.
By the end of the 2 weeks, I'll be okay with it.
Okay.
You're standing pretty close, which is a good first step.
Zazu.
Unless he eats someone's face.
Eat my ear.
Their whole
Birds have been
face.
known to do
Their
that
whole
from time
face.
to time.
Gone.
Yeah.
One chop.
Zazu.
He's like, no. He smacks you with his beak, though.
I love the way he
Funny,
hops.
yeah.
Zazu.
Come here, buddy. I forgot you were scared of birds.
I'm not gonna do it. It's raining over.
His eye is so cool.
So he's dilating.
Right at.
Slowly turning.
Take it.
Who's asshole? You.